What if one stabilizer finally solved the tracking problem once and for all? Today, we're reviewing the DJI Osmo Mobile 8 and why Apple DockKit support, plus a tiny camera module, actually changes the game. I'll walk you through 3 types of tracking it offers: the hardware polish, that makes it easy to carry and use, audio and accessory upgrades, who should buy it, and the one limitation that will matter to some creators. Stick around. The DockKit bit later is the sneaky feature that turns third-party apps into pro tracking tools. The Osmo Mobile 8 supports 3 distinct tracking methods. First, classic MIMO app tracking for face and body lock. Second, Apple DockKit support that lets compatible third-party apps leverage the Gimbal for tracking. Third, a multi-functional module with its own tiny camera and fill light that can track independently from your phone. You get software, ecosystem, and hardware tracking all in a single package. That flexibility means you can shoot with the app you prefer, add a module for hands-free shots, or rely on MIMO when you want everything integrated. Later, I'll explain why DockKit is the feature that makes the gimbal future-proof. Design-wise, it follows the compact stabilizer blueprint, and that is a good thing. It folds small enough to live in a coat pocket and powers on when you unfold it. The magnetic clip makes phone mounting quick, and the arm has a USB-C power output to charge your phone on the go. There is a pull-out extension rod that adds about 21.5 centimeters of reach, a mini tripod built into the handle, and a standard tripod thread for real mounts. Controls are laid out for thumb-first use, including a trigger, thumbstick, and a sensible mode button. In short, it is ergonomic and designed for creators who shoot all day. You get the usual follow modes that matter: pan and tilt, follow, pan, follow, FPV for immersive moves, plus a novelty spin shot mode for dramatic rotations. The zoom and focus wheel gives precise control, and the trigger handles quick flips and tracking toggles. Battery life is solid for a day of content, and the stabilizer can charge your phone while you film. Combine that with smooth motors and fast boot, and the device feels capable rather than toy level. Trust me, the little refinements add up to a much better shoot day. DJI expanded wireless microphone compatibility to include the Mic Mini, Mic 2, and Mic 3, and the stabilizer can pair with 2 mics at once. That matters if you want a handheld host mic and a lavalier on a subject. The multifunctional module also doubles as a fill light and an independent camera for tracking or remote view. When you add Apple DockKit compatibility, third-party apps that historically lacked precise gimbal control can now ask the stabilizer where the subject is. For creators who use multiple apps for streaming, vlogging, and short-form content, that ecosystem openness is a huge win. At about 135 pounds, the Osmo Mobile 8 undercuts some competitors while adding genuinely useful features. If you live outside the United States and shoot a lot of solo content, this is a top pick. The only real caveat is regional availability in America, which remains limited. So, if you already own a recent stabilizer and only shoot casual clips, it may not be essential. But if you need professional tracking options, better mic compatibility, and an easy day-to-day tool, this is the one to consider. Which feature would push you to buy the Osmo Mobile 8? DockKit tracking, the multifunctional module, or the ability to pair 2 mics? Drop your pick in the comments and tell me what app you would pair it with. If you like this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss the next deep dive.